Okay, we stopped halfway here just now because the video can only last you for 5 minutes. So again, there is some error. I see an exclamation mark. It's because of this cell. Okay, it actually should not be it. It should be and it. Okay, and it and it. Sorry, and o it o m and o. I'm comparing between Air Asia and Tiger Air. Hence the reason why I need to use and it, which is highlighted in blue, and O8, which is highlighted in red. Click OK. So the question is the number of trips to Kuala Lumpur by Air Asia and Tiger Air is less than 10? So it's false, right? Because Air Asia is more than 10. Air Asia is less than 10, but Tiger Air is more than 10. So hence it's false. Unless Air Asia travels, okay, let me unhighlight this first. Unless Air Asia here, okay, travels at 11 trip and Tiger Air maybe at 12. Okay, 12 trip again. So the answer should be true. Okay, let me see. Why is the number of trip to operation is less than 10? Oh, sorry, less than 10. Okay, both are more than 10, so hence it becomes false. If this is 5 and this is also 5, it should turn true because it's less than. Okay, so the keyword you need to be very careful here is the word less than or more than. Okay, less than or more than. So let's say if AirAsia travel around to Kuala Lumpur is about 9 trips and Tiger Air is also about 9 trips, because it's less, both of them are less than 10, I will get the answer as true. But if any one of them travels more than 10, so Tiger Air travels at 11, I will get the answer as false. But how about the next one? Less than 20. Can you all try? Less than 20. Just change the figure for it, for the formula itself. Less than 20. So you need to type this. Type. Try. Let's try together, okay? And it less than 20, comma, oh, it less than 20. Oops, I always get this mistake. Okay, because of this asterisk. Okay, you see, this is highlighted as true. I need to check whether am I doing this right or wrong for the formula itself. I can click on trace precedence. There's a button here called trace precedent. I should be able to check and see if my conditioning is correct based on the cell that I've selected. Same goes for the others. Okay, I can check. If I want to remove the arrows, I will just click remove. Okay, why don't you try and see whether are you able to track which cell have you chosen or selected when you key in the formula. Okay, now I try another one and 9 and 9 and 9, which is Asia is the number of trips to Beijing, but Asia and Tiger Air is less than 10. So again, Beijing, Air Asia, Tiger Air. Okay, so I need to check Beijing is here. Okay, maybe I just highlight Beijing. Is it both less than 10? Air Asia, Tiger Air, Air Asia, Tiger Air. So I'll just choose and 9 less than 10, oh 9 less than 10. Okay, are they both less than 10? Yes. If I were to change the figure of this Air Asia to maybe 11, then I should get false. Okay, try. Your turn to try all this. Okay, once you have done with the and I want you to try all. Does the plane need to be refueled? As long as the journey is more than 7 trips, the plane needs to be refueled. Which plane will it be? I want you to type this formula into every cell and then give me the answer for this. This is another conditioning. It's not the and, it's or. Am it in or M9 more than 17 and 10 more than 17. Let's drag this formula. Should be able. Okay.